Hi, everybody. This is Lisa Sweeting with Notary Village, and I have a tip for you today. Today's tip is about notary stamps. So, this is a tool of our trade, but this is also an extension of our signature, if you will. This is a symbol of our state authorized commission. So, what do we do with these when our commission is over, whether you're renewing or not? This can be a major liability if it falls into the wrong hands. An old stamp can be used, it could be altered and used to commit forgery for seals, deeds, for power of attorney documents. It could be even used for elder abuse. And since your name is on this, you could be the one facing the liability, the criminal charges. So, do we toss this into the garbage? Absolutely not. Check with your state laws, first of all, because some states have, as always, different requirements. Arizona and Hawaii, we are actually required to surrender these to the state when they're expired. Other ones, we are responsible for destroying. Now, that can be simple. These, other than the shape and the size, they're basically the same. There is a little plastic pad on the inside, right there, with your information on it. Now, you may want some paper towels or a wipe, because this can be a little inky on the fingers. You're going to remove the pad, either with your fingers or pliers, and it comes off. It's just attached with some adhesive, very good adhesive. Now, here's one I already removed, and it's really simple. You're just going to cut it into pieces. Cut it into pieces. Cut it into multiple pieces. Okay? And these pieces you will discard. Same on this. You just pull it back, take that off. Easy peasy. Now, some of us have the metal embossers as well. These you just can't cut up, obviously, right? So you're going to open it up. You're going to take it out of its locked position, open it up, and you have these two pads here. And these are embossed with your information. So you're going to use your two little fingers, push these together, and it slides out. Now this, a little more difficult. And some of them are made a little differently. So you can remove the two pads from each other. And what you're going to do, since this is metal, you're going to hammer the information out of there. I've even heard of some people using like an epoxy, like Gorilla Glue, to put in there so that you cannot alter it. But you're going to get a little more, and be careful. Always wear eyewear when you're doing either of these processes, because I don't want you to hurt your eyes. Okay. So that's today's tip. These do not go in the garbage. They get destroyed. Okay. And with that, you're going to be protecting yourself. You're going to be protecting your commission, your reputation, and most of all, the public. Okay, so that is today's tip, and I'll see you next time.